Tabor. This is the place of transfiguration where Jesus transfigured before Peter and John. We're going to fly around here.
As we begin circling, some facts about Tabor. It's about 1,843 feet high. It's located 11 miles west of the Sea of Galilee and only a couple miles south of Nazareth. Tabor is the east end of the Valley of Megiddo, and Mount Carmel is at the west end, about 40 miles away. Now we can see below us the winding roads going up to the major tourist attractions, which are three basilicas on Mount Tabor. One was built in 540 AD, that's the one that we're looking at right now, but the most popular one was built in 1924 by the Franciscan monks. It's the Church of Transfiguration, just coming up in view right now, where they have three rooms, one for Elijah and one for Moses, commemorating the Transfiguration. Well, my friend Dave in the back tells me that he has a new Apple iPhone that will transfigure me down to the ground, so whenever you're ready, Dave, you just press that button and beam me down.
Well, here we are on the Mount of Transfiguration, also known as Mount Tabor. This is where Jesus transfigured before Peter and John. And it's also where an audible voice spoke to Jesus and said, "This is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased." My name's Rick Pearson, and we're touring Israel in a helicopter. Shalom.